Hey guys, welcome back, and today I'm going to be showing you guys 5 games to play. Some might be blocked, but some should be unblocked in your school computer. You guys do this at your own risk. I'm not telling you guys to do this because my school, I know they lay down the law, but sometimes here and there, if everyone's playing the game, I'll just get on it because, either they're going to punish us all or not. But, okay, so the first one is wormx.io. I'll just play as player, and then it's pretty much like Slither, but not. It's Cormex. And you can go fast with Q. See how big we can get me. And then W stops you. I don't know what E does. Let me see until we get to E. Oh, what's this?
It's probably not bad. Oh, no one can kill you, probably. Yeah, go run into that guy and see if
That's my brother. Oh, we both died. Well, I don't know what that nuclear does. I think it just makes you go faster. Alright, so the next game is Agario. You probably all have heard of it, but it's kind of like a little fun game. Agario play. You guys, there's like FFA mode, Battle Royale teams, experience or something. I didn't get to see it. And then you can just, probably all of you have played this game before. If not, it's really fun. You want to, oh, I just died. Ew. No. Oh, that dude just ate me as a snack. Play one more round for you guys. You can sign in with Facebook, Google. Get away from that dude. I'm gonna lure this guy into eat me as a snack, but then I can go in this little thing. Oh no. Holy cow, that thing's huge. Yep, he's the one on the leaderboard. Split me. Cool. No. Oh, I lost my mouse right there. For a second, he about ate me. Come on, buddy. Oh my gosh, he just fed. There you go.
Oh, eat them all! Eat those!
Oh, I was going to. No. No, I'm about to be eaten.
Oh, that guy's ate on his.
Oh god, he about to split and ate me. There you go. Doing pretty good right now. That guy's probably gonna split and eat me. No. How do you go fast? Oh god, I just split. Oh, now I'm twice the size pretty much. Oh, can that person eat me? No. Oh, mine just died. Alright, well, let's go to the next game. Race Time. It's kind of a dumb game, but if you're bored, it's a game to play. You hold your mouse down and then you can just race. And then you have to like drift. Oh, well, that was me. I was kind of confused on who I was. You want to drift around the corners. Okay, just turn. And that dude's gonna beat me, but he's probably a pro at this game. I think it's pretty boring, but beat me right by 4 seconds, so I'll do it again. Well, I might as well not. Okay, so sorry, I lost my mouse. I have 2 screens here going. Oh, I must have to play. I'm trying to figure out easier ways to play. Well, he just slapped me. Yeah, the easiest way is using your mouse. I was trying to use my arrow keys like it said you could, but it's kind of a little bit harder. I don't know if you guys get bored during school. This game might be fun to play with your friends. I don't know if you can play with each other, but you probably can. Alright, so next game is Build Royale. And you can play multiplayer with your friends. Should be unblocked. If not, just there's several codes, like several links that can work. So like Build Royale, and then there's links of links. I don't know if you guys understand me, but like it's a website, and then they link this in the website, and you guys can play it. There's all kinds of stuff. You can build this because I mean it's called Build Royale for a reason. Oh, it's a window. Get trees. Click Q, and you can go backwards and just spam all the way around you. Click Q again, get out of the building. Oh, here's a gun. There's a gun on the other side of the river. Crap. Get the gun. Oh, you're actually playing now? Why isn't this working? Sometimes it's laggy, but not. Oh, I have no ammo. I'm going after you, boy. Where'd he go? No, don't team. Well, I died, but as you can see, it's pretty fun. This is probably the best game I like. Then here's Happy Wheels. This is like a full website. You guys can play all kinds of games. I'll make like a kind of another video. So here's like Doodle Jump. It's a pretty old game, but I mean, I'm telling you guys, this has a lot of games you can play. Full screen mode, all kinds. So let's see how this works. Let me put this in actual full screen. And you use your little arrow keys. I remember playing this game a long time ago. See how high you can go, but still, this means any game's fun now. Oh no, I just died. Okay, let's change your name. It's a little bit slow. Why do I do that? Menu. Options. I think, yep, you can shoot. I forgot about that. All kinds of games you can play on this. Alright, let's play a different game. Here's like a little kind of Minecraft, but called Blockcraft. New game. And there's probably some multiplayer games. I mean, they're probably like 2D games, but it's kind of a little bit pixelated a little bit, but
There's an actual Minecraft that's like an actual Minecraft. It's pretty cool.
I will play a different game.
Keep looking over Minecraft.
Alright, let's go to this one.
I'm gonna come over here.
Minecraft Classic. So this one has like tons of games, so it's pretty much like endless amount of games. And then I'll probably be making a website because see, this one's multiplayer. Probably be making a website, and then I can get all these games onto a website, but it probably won't come out within like another few videos. I'm gonna try making like 2 to like 3 videos a week, and I probably will make more. But all right, so right here, you're the host, and invite some 9 friends to join you. So I think it's saying 9 friends can join you. Pick a username to start. So let's just do Griffin like I've been doing. Start. Send this with all your friends. And I about just fell off a cliff. It's pretty simple. I don't know how. Oh, right there. Okay. So this is like creative mode. See what this button. I'm trying to figure out how to get to like the menu. Okay, guys. Well, that's kind of it of this video because I'm gonna probably make another video, but make sure you guys like and subscribe. Tune in for more. Oh, if you click the escape button, you can get some controls, tell you what to do. Also, it will give you the code, generate new level, huge, leave. See what this does. Pretty much do a lot of things on this little Minecraft thing. Play with friends. So it does have multiplayer games if you guys want to play with friends, but make sure you guys like and subscribe. I'll be posting more videos soon. Just like, subscribe, turn on bell notifications so you know when I upload, because sometimes I don't upload for a week, but I'm going to start uploading about 2 to 3 videos a week. Thanks for watching. Make sure you guys like and subscribe.